I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Can I have my book back, honey? This is my book. Oh my goodness! Okay, here you go. Somebody hasn't learned sharing is caring yet. Can I have my book back, honey? Oh my goodness! Oh my, okay, here you go. Oh, honey, I gotta put that in the washing machine. We gotta wash your book, okay? Can I have your book back, honey? Oh, baby, come here, sweetie. There you go. Sweetie, he's so funny.
Hey Eli, how's your fruit pouch? Do you like it? Yeah. You're doing such a good job feeding yourself. Can I help you? No. Okay. Okay, it's all yours. Oh no. It fell. Oh, you want it back?
Nah, okay na. Frank, asa si Mama nag-work? Asa? Ang ngalan sa office ni Mama? Ha? Ang ngalan? Ikaw ba, ang ngalan sa office ni Mama? Toyota. Toyota. Okay.